Question number 5. Name the following compounds. So let's first write down the carbons and hydrogens. CH3, CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, CH2, and then CH3. Always consider longest most substituted carbon chain. So this is longest most substituted carbon chain. Find out substituents. Chain is numbered from that end which is nearer to the substituents. So longest chain contain 6 carbon atoms. Name of the compound is 2,2,4 trimethyl hexane. For the next compound, we'll put name directly. Consider longest continuous carbon chain. Number the chain. Six carbon atoms in a chain, and these are methyl substituents. Name will be 2, 3, 4, 5 tetramethyl hexane.